Hey, what's going on, fellow Facebook entrepreneurs? Today, what I'm doing is I'm showing you how to basically piggyback off of other phone apps to make you money. I just cashed out the other day, and today I've already made $8.22, and I literally am hopping on this site as I'm talking to you. So as you can see, these surveys here, right? Nobody likes surveys, but this one's actually do have a pretty good payout. So we have one for 12 minutes for 250, 11 minutes for 50 cents, 20 for 75. It's not that great. Um, I'm only giving you the ones that are kind of short time with good money. So a dollar for 13. If you do, 5 of them, you get $5 an hour, which isn't great, but for passive income and something that takes you just to answer some questions while you're sitting on the couch or, just waiting for somebody to come out of an appointment, if you're in a waiting room, whatever. Then you have these offers, okay? So these offers here offer you actual money, real cash payouts. So you get Stash Invest, which is actually a pretty good one. So this right here, what you do with Stash Invest is that you download the app, you add $5, give you an extra $5, and then Inbox Dollars pays you out $20. Okay, so that's a pretty good investment. You're basically paying $5 to get 25. If that's not a good investment, I don't know what is. Okay, so then we have, hold on one second. Okay, so we got DoorDash here, right? So at DoorDash, what you do is you download the app. They give you $5 and exclusive offer for Inbox members. Complete full survey, receive Inbox Dollar rewards, and get a chance at a $500 gift card. So, Inbox Dollars will give you $5 towards DoorDash for applying for it, and this you have to have not had the app before. That seems to be some of the confusion with people asking me how come they're not getting payouts. You have to actually haven't have used it before, and then you get the $5. Okay. Then you have Rise of Kingdoms, Lost Crusade. Okay, so if you're a gamer, this is a good paying game because it's fairly easy. You only get your city to level 17, and in fact, actually, how you can kind of make out good on this, and I'll show you in a second, is that you can pay $5 and you get like a bonus package, like a starter kit that helps you play the game, and it'll actually bring you right to level 12, and then you play for another 2 or 3 days, and boom, you're on level 17. So it's a little side hack. So basically, you invest $5, you make 35. But I'm going to show you in a second here how you can kind of piggyback off of another site to get more money for that game. Okay, so War and Magic, another $8. AFK Arena is actually a pretty easy game. I got the $15 from that as well. Mafia City, it takes a long time. So this game right here, and you actually have to get up in your level. I believe it's within 10 days. 7 days, yeah. So 7 days, and you have to get to level 20. And this game isn't really like the easiest one. So it will probably take you about 5 days. So you make about $2 a day playing that game. And you have to invest a little bit of time with it. Okay? So, like I said, okay, so you have all these games that pay out good money. Most of them are fairly easy. I've actually gotten majority of these cash payouts, and it didn't take me very long at all. I made $140 in 1 week off of this app. So, then we go to the other apps, okay? And there's another game on here, King of Avalon Dragon War, okay? This game right here is fairly easy. Again, you can pay $3.99 and get a bonus package where it'll basically help you to beat the game, and then you can play for a couple days and you win $13. So some of these you may have to put a couple dollars into, but you're going to get a good return for it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the other site that will make you more money piggybacking. Alright, so here we are now, okay? So now we're on another site called Mist Play. Alright, so now we've got this other game called Rise of Kingdoms. So, as you can remember, that was on Lucky Dollars for, I believe it was $40, right? So, you click on this game, right? And then you get points for every level that you make up. Once you get to 5,000 points, you get that. Once you get to 1,800 points, what happens is that you win $5. So, you get to 5,000 points, and you get $20, I believe. Okay, so what you do is you find the games that are on Lucky Dollars. Okay, here you go. Here's State of Survival. That was another game that we had showed you. I play this game. Okay, another game that's boosted, that's on the other site as well, is hold on one second. Okay, so I believe AFK is also on here, but I don't want to bore you with trying to find it. Rise of Kings, Rise of Kingdoms. So all these games basically pay you money, okay? You win prizes, and when you want to shop and cash out, what you do is you can pick an Amazon card, a Visa gift card, Google Play cards, Xbox gift card, GameStop gift cards, PlayStation, iTunes, Starbucks, eBay, Nintendo, okay? So basically it is for gamers, but you can get Amazon and prepaid Visa cards, or if you like Starbucks, go to Starbucks. Okay, I cashed out 2 days ago, and I am already close to making $5, but I only spend about an hour or two a day on this, and it's usually when I'm bored and I have nothing better to do. And that's pretty much what you do with these apps that kind of help you to make more money. Because like I said, this isn't it's not something that's going to make you rich, but it will bring you money, and the payouts are very, very low. And then I'm going to show you another site which helps you how to shop. That will be in my next video. But if you do like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll teach you some more tricks on how to piggyback off of other apps and kind of how to make money passively on a cell phone. And if you don't have a cell phone, you can use a computer. Some of these apps, like Misplay, only work on Android cell phones. They don't work on Apple phones because Apple's licensing is kind of a little bit more stricter. So what you do is, I'm actually going to come up with some videos where you can kind of add these apps that are from iTunes or Apple, but at the time I only use an Android phone. So what you're going to do is, once you get enough points together, and I'm going to have all my links below, actually, I'm going to have all my links below, and what you do is, you add my link, and we both make money off of each other for playtime, and we get instant rewards. Just like with Inbox Dollars, you get 10% of what I make, and I get a percentage of what you make. That way it's kind of like community earning, and eventually if you can get enough referrals and people to play and people to participate in the programs, it becomes passive income, so that you continue to make money while you sleep. That's why I haven't been on Inbox Dollars in 24 hours. I just cashed out for $38.41, and I already have close to $9. So basically, when you're trying to do these programs, what you want to do is make money by referring people, so that way you can get more money. So that at the end of the day, when everything is kind of going together, it's kind of like the candy machines that I have. I set them in a store. Actually, I can't tell you that right now, because if I do, it'll take away from another video that I'd want you guys to watch. So again, like, share, subscribe. Also, I am running a 100 subscriber contest. Whoever adds my channel, subscribes to it, likes it, and shares it, and you can go to my Facebook page as well, Mitch Knows Money, and as soon as I hit 100 subscribers, the person who shared my channel the most will be the winner. And You have to make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so that way you can get the gift cards. Once the 100 is up, I'm going to run another one for 500. So when you get to 500, that's a $50 Amazon gift card. And when we get to that, I'm going to do 1,000 for 1,000, 100 for 1,000 viewers. So stay tuned and make sure you subscribe.